Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AYTU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And this question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you just stop and consider where the price was going into the day, and then you look at where the price closed, sure, there was a bit of a pullback from the highs, but still, relative to where it was compared to where it ultimately closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bull still made a very solid move. But that now leads to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to better illustrate this, I need to actually scrunch up the chart here a little bit to bring a little bit more context to things. There we go. And this key level, in my mind, that's going to help us answer the question is right here at 37 cents. Why is 37 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 37 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it's just broken out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back a little bit more, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as 37 cents. As far as levels of resistance, in my opinion, those don't really matter that much right now. Top priority right now after such a big move is just going through healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as higher lows are being built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on a healthy consolidation, focus on quote-unquote showing progress, staying above 37 cents, and then you can just sit back and let the trend build itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.